Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on pet supplies with Chewy easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Chewy website or open the Chewy app on your device. Create an account if you don't already have one. Browse through the wide selection of pet supplies available. Use the search bar to find specific items for your pet. Take note of any ongoing promotions or discounts displayed on the website. Sign up for the Chewy newsletter to receive email updates on exclusive deals. Check the clearance section for discounted products. Add items to your cart that you want to purchase. Before checking out, view your cart to ensure everything is correct. Look for any applicable coupons or promo codes online. Apply these codes at checkout for additional savings. Consider setting up an auto-ship for regularly used items. This can save you time and money on repeated purchases. Review your shipping options and choose the best one for your needs. Finalize your order and complete the checkout process. Monitor your email for shipping confirmations and updates. Take advantage of Chewy's customer service for any questions or concerns. Explore the Chewy app for more savings and offers while on the go. Stay engaged with their website for seasonal sales and new promotions. Using these tips can help you save significantly on pet supplies with Chewy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.